Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs with egg whites. First, carefully separate your egg whites from the yolks. For a good portion, aim for about 2 egg whites per serving. Next, whisk the egg whites gently until they are slightly frothy. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan ready and your seasonings close by. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a small amount of your preferred cooking oil or butter. Once the pan is warm, pour in your whisked egg whites. Begin to gently stir and fold the egg whites with a spatula. Keep moving them around the pan to ensure even cooking and prevent sticking. The key to perfect egg white scrambled eggs is knowing when to stop cooking. You want them to be just set, but still wonderfully moist and fluffy, not dry or rubbery. Continue to gently stir until no liquid egg white remains, but they still look soft. This is also the ideal time to season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Once your egg whites are perfectly cooked, transfer them immediately to a plate. They are best enjoyed fresh and warm. For an extra touch of flavor and presentation, consider garnishing with some finely chopped fresh chives or parsley. These light and healthy scrambled egg whites pair wonderfully with whole wheat toast, avocado, or a side of fresh fruit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.